Welcome back to Tightwad Workshop. In this video we're going to show off a workbench made from 4 EPAL pallets. Once you've dismantled your pallets, you'll have this collection of boards. We'll use these boards to make this thoroughbred woodworking bench. It's very skittish, so try not to startle it. The bench is a small version of a Nicholson joiner's bench. The shelf at the bottom isn't a structural part and can be removed if needed. This style of workbench has been rediscovered recently by Rex Kruger, but it's never really disappeared from British Commonwealth countries. This smaller size of bench is easy to move around, and it's big enough for a wide variety of woodworking projects. The joinery work needed for this bench is very simple, and it's mostly half-lap joints. The 2 leg units are built as trestle frames and have diagonal braces on both sides. The top and aprons can be permanently attached with glue and screws, or attached with bolts to make an easy to transport knockdown bench. The bench is small enough to fit through a regular house door and light enough to be easily carried. That same light weight means it can run away across the floor while you're working, so I use a sandbag as ballast. The basic bench uses holes, pegs and holdfasts to hold your work. A vise can easily be added if that's your preference, and I'll show how to do that in a future video. Here I'm attaching a board to the side of the bench with holdfasts so that I can plane its edge. You can also hold boards on top of the bench for planing, by using a peg for a planing stop and a doze foot to hold the other end of the board. The doze foot is held to the bench using a holdfast. This easily holds the board in place while I'm planing it. Turning over the board to plane the other side is very quick and easy. The bench is also a good height for marking out. It's good for sawing. It's great for chiselling. It's okay, but not great as a bed. It works well for reading a newspaper. And it's excellent if you want to be a serious 1970s newsreader. Good evening. You can find free plans for this workbench from our website. Check out the link in the video description. If you're an experienced woodworker, that's all you'll need to build this bench. But the next 5 videos in this series will be a detailed step-by-step construction guide. Stay tuned for episode 2, where we'll prepare the double thickness planks for the workbench top and aprons. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Tightwad Workshop is filmed in front of a live studio audience.